Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Doordash store location. First, open the Doordash app on your mobile device. Look for the current address, usually displayed prominently at the top of your screen. Tap on it to bring up the location selection interface. Then, simply enter your new desired delivery address into the search bar provided. This initial step is quick and easy, setting you up for a seamless ordering experience from your updated location. Once you've typed in your new address, the app will present a list of suggested locations. Make sure to select the most precise option to ensure accurate delivery. A map will then appear, showing your updated delivery zone. Take a moment to verify that this area covers your intended destination. Finally, confirm the change, and Doordash will refresh to display all the available stores and restaurants within your newly selected delivery radius. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup when changing your location. First, double-check that your device's location services are enabled specifically for the Doordash app. If issues persist, a quick restart of the app or even your entire mobile device can often resolve them. For extremely precise delivery, you can manually drag and drop the location pin directly on the map to pinpoint your exact spot, ensuring your order arrives right where you want it. It's important to remember that once an order is placed, its delivery address cannot be altered. So, always confirm your location before finalizing your purchase. Changing your location will immediately update the list of available stores, showing only those within the delivery radius of your new spot. Doordash generally operates within a delivery radius of about 5 to 10 miles from your selected address, offering a wide variety of options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.